you guys, Gina2 here, and welcome back to another one of my lovely helpful videos. If you're not already, please subscribe, like, help your sister out. And as you can see from the title, I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I do to strengthen my legs and get me able to stand with my walker. It does take me a little bit, but I'm going to show you. Okay, well, since I'm already laying down, don't mind my bed. I didn't feel like making it because I hate this sheet that's on it and I plan on taking it off. So anyways, I have this giant pillow because I can't lay down all the way due to my eyes. I'm not supposed to lay fully down or else the blood will shoot forward. It's weird, don't know how that works, but it works. So since we're laying down, I'm gonna go ahead and start by doing what my therapist calls pyramids, or you could just call them butt raises. I do like 20 of those, and I try to do 5 seconds a piece each one. All right, let's go. All right, so I'm gonna lay as flat as I can. It's probably gonna look like I'm not doing much, but it is a lot for me because my back is pretty stiff. And my head has to be tilted due to my eye condition. All right, so we're gonna start. We're gonna go up as high as you can, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're gonna do 20 of those. Okay, I'm not gonna do all of those on the camera, but you see, you get the point. We're gonna move to the next thing. Also, bear with me, my back doesn't go all the way up just yet. That is another thing I'm working on. It's really hard, guys. It's like being a baby again, and you're learning, and you're building strength through every muscle in your body. Wasting syndrome is no joke. All right, next we're going to do 50 leg marches. We're gonna do 50 on each leg, and we want to make sure each time we go down, we try to aim right back on the spot that we lifted up from. All right, so it's going to be 1, 1, right? And let's just keep going. For extra balance, if you have to, you could do this as well. I know it helps me a little bit. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is something to help with my ankles. My therapist always has me move this as close to my middle of my chest as I can, kind of push this out, and I'm gonna try to work out my ankle, going up and down, but trying to hold up as long as I can. And I'm gonna do a couple of those as well because I want to work that out. This would be even better if you have a band that you could use, or even a towel and you can pull up on, just to stretch this as far back as you can. You're gonna do that on both legs. That's mainly if you need this if you have drop foot. Me, I have drop foot, so I have to do these things. So normally I would use the bicycle afterwards, and you could order those on Amazon. I'm gonna order some as soon as I move, so that's why I say don't mind the mess around me. We're packing currently, so it's a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stand with this, and I put pressure. Go ahead and show you. I put pressure, not too much. I kind of hold my body weight with my arms a little bit, As you see on my feet, they're kind of pointing. Now if I stand, I move to the side, shifting my weight till they touch the floor fully, and then I'll be able to let go. But I like to stand for a good amount of time until I know I can walk a little ways. So shift left to right and try to straighten out your legs. And now that my feet are pretty much touching the floor, I'm going to start taking my first steps forward. I'm going to do the same thing and take them back. But do not rush. You don't want your legs to buckle. Going to start with 3 steps since I don't have much ways to go in this house, and then I'm going to start going back. And this is, you might need someone to help you, but me, I have my balance pretty well. Put your hand behind you first and then sit. And that's how that is done. All right, y'all, that pretty much concludes what I do in order to stand with my walker, and also some ways that I help build the strength. I have other things I do. I just don't have the materials on me right now, and they're currently where I'm moving, as far as like the ways that I stretch my feet and bend my, like I have tools, y'all, and the pedals I need, they're over there. But I really hope this helps some of you guys out. Also, don't comment on the pouch in my pants, y'all. It's that time of month. I'm proud to say that. Y'all. Whew. Bear with me, guys. You're on this journey with me. I love you. I love you. Follow me. Subscribe. Comment. I love you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, I almost forgot, guys. I will be vlogging my move soon. I'm going to take you guys with me. This is so awesome. It's going to be epic. I hope my vlogging gets a lot better because my best friend's going to be helping me and she's really good at this stuff. So, guys, we're on this journey together, like I said, 1,000,001 times. Okay? I love you. I love you. Thank you for watching. I'm doing these things to help other people, except for the vlogging of my house. I just want to show y'all because I'm proud of myself. But I hope it helped you somehow. Even if you're an old lady, an old lad.